Live in the present. Live in the moment while holding on to our dreams and allow them to unfold as they are meant to. This means we should never think about the future or the past. We should only ever live in the present. This allows the mind to be focused on where we are, so that all our creative energy leads to the realization of our goal. Feeling confident that things will play out as they are supposed to while we gently guide them along is a necessary part of the path to success. We can therefore describe life as a journey, an adventure we must all undertake. When we take those first uncertain steps to a new destination, to a new and greater dream, this same dream will draw us towards those acts of creation and achievement we are destined for. They are the sheer joys of life, the real reason for getting out of bed every morning. Let's enjoy the journey. Let's remember to celebrate all of our successes along the way.